Today we are doing a workout for your core using one of my favorite tools, the small Pilates ball. Here we go. Today we're doing a workout all about your abs and your core, and all you'll need is a small Pilates ball. And you can find this anywhere, just look up small Pilates ball. I'll have a link below, but you can also try this with just a playground ball or even a dodge ball that you have at home. So we're gonna have our legs together, reaching out in front. You're gonna sit up nice and tall with the ball in your hands. Drop the shoulder blades down. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, arms down. So we're gonna get into those abdominals and our core here, starting just by opening everything up. And then bring the arms in front. Inhale, exhale, curl your tailbone, roll yourself down about halfway, okay? You're keeping that curve in your spine. Inhale, pause. Exhale, dive back up over your legs. Restack. Do the same thing, curl and roll down. So you'll notice I'm holding a ball, but if you don't have a ball available to you, you could use just about anything here. You just have to be kind of creative with some of the moves we're gonna do. Otherwise, having this 9-inch Pilates ball around is really handy. Okay, on this one, roll down, stay there. We're moving into a series here. Inhale, arms up, exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, pause. Exhale up, restack. Same thing, roll down again. For more of a challenge, roll down a little bit farther. Stay here. Take the ball to the right, center, left, center. 4, giving a really good twist, getting into the obliques. And 2, 1, center, roll back up. Restack, roll yourself down, stay here, lift the right leg, lower left leg. For more of a challenge, bring the ball up. Keep it up, keep your spine where it is, lift those legs. One more each side, we're just getting right into it. Nice job. I want you to bring the ball behind you to come onto it, okay? So I have it, it's kind of right below and in between my shoulder blades. Bend your knees, hands behind your head. Inhale to come back. So this is where you know if it's in the right spot. You wanna be able to roll back over it. Exhale up. So really give that big exhale when you come up here. And maybe see if you can start to curl in on yourself a little bit. Like that's how I feel like I'm trying to make myself this circle when I come up. On this one, come up and twist to your left. Then center, down, up, twist to the right. And I have to be nice and slow or I'm just gonna fall off the ball here. So it's real intentional. Last one. Nice job. Now stay here with your head supported. Lift the right leg to tabletop and then the left leg to tabletop. And then reach the legs out and in. So see if you can keep the crunch here. Last one. Nice job. Feet down. You can use your hands on your legs to come up. Because then I want you to take the ball out and roll back down onto your back. Okay, nice job. We're gonna place the ball in between the ankles and then reach the legs up and point your toes. And what I want you to notice is how you can roll the ball kind of in between your ankles or your feet like so. Like I bring one foot towards me and one away. Now from here, what you're gonna do is lower your legs down as you do that. So legs lower down for 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. And if you start to lose the ball like me, you can adjust it. Nice job. I'm going to adjust the ball, and we're going to do that again in a crunch. Arms at your sides. Roll yourself up. Reach the fingertips out. Legs straight. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Only you know how far you can lower the legs and still control it. Like for me, it's not very far. You might be able to go farther. Last time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees in. Take the ball out. All right, we're gonna go into one of my favorite abdominal series. And I say that with a grain of salt because it is challenging, but it's super fun and different with the ball. So what we're gonna do is bring the legs together, bend them. The ball goes on your knees here. Then elbows on the ball. And this is one of those that without a ball, it's gonna be a little challenging to recreate, but you definitely can. Both elbows on the ball, and then you come up and your hands go behind your head. So see how much of I'm in this little teeny ball already, right? So now from here, I'm gonna twist to my left and straighten my right leg out. I'm still holding the ball. Back to center, both elbows. Twist the opposite way. Back to center, twist, center, and twist. So it makes you just go really, really deep by getting those elbows on the ball. Nice job. We have 4 more. You can do it. Twist. 3. Twist. Stay up deep. Last one. Nice job. Oh, come back down. And just let your legs sway side to side. Okay, so this one, I keep saying this, but this one's a little bit different too. We are going to place the ball underneath our tail. So you're gonna have to adjust lots of things. You need to make sure you have a sturdy ball. If you don't, you might wanna do this just with like a couple pillows under your tail, okay? Because I wanna make sure the ball is not gonna pop. So have it underneath your tailbone or your sacrum here. And then legs come up one at a time to tabletop. And then what we're gonna do is lower the right leg down, dip the toes in water, lift it up, and then the other side. For more of a challenge, arms can come up. So you can see it's a lot deeper into the core by adding this dynamic challenge, kind of this little balance challenge here. And you can definitely do this without the ball at all. Just take it out and do it flat on the mat, and this is still lots of low abs. And if you want a little more work, both legs at the same time. I taught in-person classes at studios that I owned for years and years, and this is a series we would do a lot. And I'm gonna show you a fun little result at the end of this. Okay, last one. Nice job. Hug the knees in or feet down to take the ball out, and then slowly roll down. And I want you to notice if your tail just feels nice and heavy onto the mat now. Isn't that cool? All right, we are going to bring the ball up into our hands, and we're gonna bring the legs into this butterfly position. So the feet are together and the knees are apart. Exhale, roll up into a crunch. Stay here, do little pulses. Pulse, 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 pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down, legs up and together. Roll up again and reach the ball towards the knees and pulse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball to the left, pulse and reach. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Roll back down. Bring the ball between your knees. Feet are going to be flat on the ground. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone. This is just a great way to kind of release the abdominal muscles. Reset. Roll up. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll back down. One more. And great job. I know that I am feeling my abdominals now, and I hope you are too. I hope you had a great workout. Thank you so much for joining me on my mat today, and I will see you soon.